Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I came back with a new ColorOS 15 based ROM for my Redmi Note 10s phone, and in this video I'm going to talk about this ROM features, lackings, and at the last I will show you how you guys can install this ROM on your phone. So let's start the video. So first of all, if I go to the settings, I can see this is the brand new ColorOS settings panel, and if I go to the about phone, I can see this is the Redmi Note 10s ColorOS 15 ROM for Redmi Note 10s, and this ROM is on top of Android 15. If I go to the version and click on the version, you can see this series ROM is on top of Android 15. So that's great, and when you boot up this ROM you will get only some few apps, and the storage will be 17 to 18 GB. So that's great, and when you boot up this ROM you will get just only few apps. You will do not get any kind of extra app like ColorOS apps. So that's very great, and that ROM is too much debloated, so that's great. And the second feature is this is the brand new ColorOS control center. You can change the default control center class. The classic one is also there, and also you can change the new control center. Okay, so this control center is really great and this is very cool, and the main focus point of the ColorOS. And the apps opening closing animation is really great, and you can see the apps opening closing animation is also very cool and refined, and this ROM is also very fast. When you use this ROM, the smoothness of this ROM is really great, and you will feel the smoothness of this ROM. And this ROM has also brand new wallpaper and style. I can see the lock string customization, and the lock string customization is really great and working perfectly. But only one problem is the AOD option is not working properly. So in AOD option you will not get the AOD option properly working on this ROM. This is a ROM bug, but the other features and all the thing is perfectly working. You will get the ColorOS AI functions is also perfectly working. You can AI writer, AI voice, and all the AI function is also perfectly working. And you will get the live alert option, which is very cool and as like the iPhone features copy. If I go to the notification and quick settings and go to the live alerts, I can see you will change the use the live alerts, and the live alert is perfectly working. So when you boot up this ROM, just go to the quick alert option and just on this. After that you need to restart your phone, and then you can easily use this ColorOS option and dynamic notification, which is dynamic island. And the smoothness of this, you can see the smoothness is really perfectly working. And also when you plug your charger, the notification will also came appear. You can see the charging animation came appear. It's very good, and if you press left, and it will be automatically closed. If you again click and the came appear. So this is very great, and the animation is very cool and refined. I can see the smoothness of it. If I go to the camera, I can see this is the Xiaomi's camera, not ColorOS camera, cause the ColorOS camera is not support on that. But the camera picture quality is really good and decent, but there's a problem. You will not get the dedicated 64 megapixel camera, and in video option you will get the highest 1080p 60 fps. You will miss the 4K 60 fps video recording capability is not there on this ROM. This is the mainly the ROM, not ROM bug. This is the ColorOS problem. This ROM processor is D95, so you will not get the proper output from this ROM. Go to the photos option, I can see this ROM's photo option is really great, and you will get the edit option. The edit option is perfectly working. You can adjust, and filters are also perfectly working. And you can see the AI eraser. AI eraser is not working, but the other thing is working. Makeup and watermark, device watermark is really perfectly working. I can see you can easily use that, and you can retouch it, and also all the other gallery functions is also perfectly working. And gallery function is really good, and you can see the year, month, date, and the animation is really cool and very refined. The animation is, I can see the animation, and the picture quality of this ROM, I can see the picture quality. The picture quality is really great. I can see the picture quality, but on the gallery function is really good, and the smoothness is really great. So now I am talking about this ROM certified or not. If I go to the Play Store and if I click on the settings, and I can see this device is not certified, because this is a custom ROM, so you will not get the device certified pre-rooted. But don't worry about this is the pre-rooted ROM, so you will get the inbuilt Magix manager. Just update the Magix manager and then you will easily use any kind of module and fix the play integrity. So I do not recommend you guys to use banking apps on these ROMs, because there will be a issue on your account. But the other thing is really perfectly working, and if you go to the settings and go to the display and brightness, I can see the dark mode and light mode is perfectly working. I can see the dark mode and light mode is perfectly working. But I face a problem, which is the eye comfort and the adaptive tone. If you on the eye comfort, the brightness will automatically up and down, so this is very irritating, and the brightness, auto brightness is not working perfectly. I already faced the problem. But the other thing is perfectly working if you play any kind of music. And now I'm talking about this from sound quality. If I go to the sound and vibration, I can see, if you go to the haptics, I can see the from haptic is too much decent, and the haptic is perfectly working, and you will get the sound effect. Sound quality is really decent. I requested you guys to use the smart, and music sound quality is really good, but the gaming is not good, but the music and smart quality is really decent. So you guys can easily use this sound and vibration option, and when you boost up the volume, sometimes distraction, but I think if you use the 60 to 80% volume, then you will be better, and the experience was really too much decent. The other thing is you will get the recorder option. All the apps is also the ColorOS and the calling feature. If I go to the any call, and the call is perfectly working, so there is no problem on calling. I will also test the call, and the calling performance is really decent, and no problem on the call. And the message option is also perfectly working. I can see the messaging option, and WhatsApp is also perfectly login, so there is no issues on there. And if you go to the file manager, you will get the new AI file gallery option, and you will separate the storage and SD card. If you have used SD card, you will definitely use that. And another feature is the brand new widgets option. You will get the many kinds of ColorOS widgets option on there, and you will change the wallpaper as you want. If you just click in, and you will get the live wallpaper. The live wallpaper is perfectly working. I can see the live wallpapers. If you apply the live wallpapers, the battery will drain faster, but the wallpaper is perfectly working, so there is no issues on it. And the other thing is the icons. You can change the icon. I can see the icon, you can change there. I personally use default, but you can change the icon as you want. Material, you can easily, or you can customize the icon as you want. So you will get many kind of customization on this ROM. More option, and you will get the you can change the with drawer or extended option. You can easily use that. And icon is autofill option, clock layout, etc, and the function is really good. Like, you will get the many kind of functions, and you can manage your apps. The RAM management is pretty decent. I can see the RAM management is also good, but when you try to use many apps on background, sometimes it will not in the RAM. But the RAM management is decent, not up to the mark, because this is a ColorOS ROM, and if you have 8 GB RAM, then you will comfortably use this ROM on your phone. Now I'm talking about this ROM gaming performance. I do not try any kind of heavy games, because this ROM has battery drain issues. I already faced the battery drain issues of this ROM. You will not get the best gaming performance, but the performance is good, because the graphics driver, I think the graphic driver is not perfectly working. I can see the graphics quality when you try to use this ROM. The graphics quality of this ROM is not good. I already faced the problem on graphics, so I already faced this problem. But the other thing is really good, and the brightness problem is also I face on this one. But the other things, airplane mode or the data connection is perfectly working, so there is no issues on it. If you talk about this ROM's battery, this ROM battery backup is not up to the mark. You will not get the much battery backup in night. The battery is drained too much. If I go to the battery health, I can see the battery capacity 100% showing, but I think it's not proper battery. But you can use the smart charging and charging limit. That is also perfectly working and great. The power saving option is also there, and you can change the battery mode. You can change the high performance, balance, and power saving and super power saving mode. That also are very cool features, but the battery backup is not good. And this from another problem is you cannot log in any kind of ColorOS from there. This is the ROM bugs, but other account is also perfectly working. I can see I am using Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. All the thing is perfectly working, and mobile network is also perfectly working. I already use the mobile network, and mobile network is perfectly working, but you will not get the beginner option. And so at the last, who will use this ROM? Those who guys want to explore more things and want to use many kind of ROMs on your phone, you guys can definitely try this ColorOS ROM on your Redmi Note 10s phone. This ROM's lacking is the face lock is not perfectly working, and the in camera you will not get the 4K 60 fps option, and when you use the long time gaming or anytime, the battery will drain faster. This is the main issue of this ROM, but the other thing is perfectly working, and all the functions has been perfectly working. Only the AOD option is not working, and I will face a problem when you try to unlock by fingerprint. Sometimes it's not working perfectly, but if you want to use or explore more ROM on your phone, definitely you guys can try this ROM. So now I am talking about how to install this ROM on your phone. You will got the ROM in my Telegram channel. I will provide all the link in my description box also. So you can download the ROM file, and after that, this is the fast boot ROM and the recovery ROM also there. So I recommend you guys to use the fast boot ROM, because fast boot ROM is easy and very reliable to use, and you can easily also use the recovery ROM. If your phone has custom recovery, then you can try easily to flash this ROM through the recovery. To install this ROM on your phone, remove all kind of fingerprint and face lock from your phone, and also remove the Xiaomi account from your phone. After that, the other process I will show you in my laptop. So begin to the laptop. So after coming up to the laptop, you know, download the main ROM file. I will provide the ROM file in my description box to download this main file. This is the ROM file, and this size is 3.0.1 GB. I need to download this another file which called Mi Flash Tool. You need to download this Mi Flash Tool. I will provide all the link in my description box, and you need to download the ADB setup file. I will also provide in my description box. So now you need to download the main file and unzip this file. After unzipping this file, you need to boot your phone into the fast boot mode. To doing it, press the volume down and the power button at the same time, and your phone will automatically boot into the fast boot mode. So now connect your phone with your laptop or PC. So now I am connected. So now go to the ROM file and click on _flash. Just double tap it, and a new pop-up window will appear. Now you need to just type Y and hit enter, and this ROM will automatically starting flashing on your phone. So it's take a few moments, so wait some moment. After that, your phone will automatically boot into the ColorOS. So wait some moment. So here you can see guys, this ROM is completely flashed on my phone. Now you need to just type Y and hit enter, and the ROM will automatically the window will automatically close, and the loading screen is also appear on my phone. So this is the way you can easily install this ColorOS ROM on your any Redmi Note 10s or POCO M5S or 11 SE phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys don't understand something, message me on Telegram. I will try to help you. So thanks for watching this video.